Hi guys, welcome to Adam Leon Hacksaw's Takers WWE Figures Review with his special assistant Princess Anna.
And zombies.
Alright Adam, now take us through all your new figures that you got. Okay, one by one, show us who you got.
And I got zombie.
Okay, start from over there and we can move around.
So, elbow that Leo.
Wait, show me again to the camera.
Elbow that Leo.
Alberto Del Rio with the United States Championship.
So let's open him.
Oh yeah, no,
Let's open him.
let's open him. Unboxing, guys. This is very exciting. Alberto Del Rio is no longer with the company, but he does have a nice U.S. title. And does he have the towel too? And he has a sweet looking towel. My God, look at that towel. It's a custom gold title. You excited for Alberto Del Rio, Adam?
Yeah, I'm ready to open the elbow that Leo.
Now, Adam, all these little figures come with little titles or some sort of accessory, so please make sure you don't lose them.
This is the title.
Oh, that's Adam's favorite title. He has one signed by Jinder Mahal. Right, Adam?
And this is Alberto Del Rio.
Oh, hi, Alberto. You have a nice title and a nice towel. Now, let's
Yes.
put the title around his waist. And as we open our new figures, we should put them in the ring.
No, don't put them.
Yeah, in the middle. What else we got here, Adam? Who's next? Who do you want to open next?
Neville.
Now, this
We
Neville
have-
is a special Neville because he comes with a
Title.
Cape.
And cape.
and a title too?
No.
No,
Just
no
a nice
title.
cape.
Okay, let's open.
Adam has another Neville, but that Neville does not have a cape.
But,
And Neville is also no longer with the company. Let it be noted.
and then we'd open this switch. Like, we just open this switch. I don't know if we can put that up. Then I will put that switch
Triple
up.
H is going to be next.
Yeah. After Neville. After Neville.
So here's the Neville.
Adam, you excited? You got so many
Try getting
figures?
him out of the packaging.
It's open. Here we have Neville.
That's when Neville was a good guy.
He has his cape.
All right, Neville, back to the ring. Hey, stand them up,
Now
if
this
possible.
is Triple H. Next is Triple H.
Oh
We
my
have-
God, this is the special WrestleMania Triple H.
It's fine. Just let them. We have a lot of trash already. And we have a lot more figures to go.
Adam, are you excited for
Triple H.
Triple H WrestleMania
No,
edition?
and I had another under the panel, but no mask on it. No.
There we go. Okay. So here we go.
Triple H.
This is very hard to get out. Okay, so this is Triple H. He has a lot of like gear and
Cool, that's his entrance gear. I don't think he can wrestle
yeah.
in that.
So
Adam, does he look like a robot?
you can take
Or
all
a
this
zombie.
stuff off and you might lose it.
No, don't lose it.
All right, back to the ring, Triple H.
So now we have with an NXT belt.
Oh, nice job, Kevin Owens. Hey, is that a bowling ball in your shirt?
Yeah.
Or that's just your tummy?
I just did that. Hey, tell me
I always cut right through their face.
That's okay. We're not saving the packaging.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Adam, let's focus on this guy first.
And then he has jacket guys. You shouldn't.
Okay. This is his
All right, KO.
belt.
You have a nice NXT title. You know, interesting trivia. Other holders of the NXT title include Finn Balor, Samoa Joe, Seth Rollins, Shinsuke Nakamura, Sami Zayn, and many others. Currently, the NXT title is held by Aleister Black.
Okay.
Yes.
This is Kevin Owens. This is his belt.
Yes.
I don't think the belt fits around his
No,
waist.
it should.
It doesn't.
It doesn't?
No.
Is he too fat?
Yeah.
That's
Look,
ridiculous.
guys, it doesn't fit.
Hey, Kevin Owens.
Maybe
Go on
he
a
should
diet.
lose some weight,
All right, maybe he can just hold the belt.
like on his arm.
Or you know what we can do?
On his arm.
We
That
can.
works.
All right.
No.
No, we can put that title up on his other ring so he doesn't lose it. You want to do that?
No.
Or we can.
No.
Okay, you want to
Okay,
keep
we'll
it with
just put
Kevin
it-
Owens?
Yeah.
Right there and.
All right, Kevin, don't lose your title.
Okay, next figure is let's see what's this guy name?
Ravishing Rick Rude. That is from the old WWF when I was growing up. And I remember this guy well. And he sadly is no longer with us. But he has a nice looking robe,
Just like
yeah.
Bobby Roode.
just like Bobby Roode and Ric Flair.
Okay, this is his nice robe.
Whoa, what a nice robe.
It says "Simply Ravishing."
Like the ravishing Russian Lana. But Adam, we don't need Lana, right?
And we don't have to make them any. We don't have to make them any.
Okay, this is him. He has a lady on his butt.
Okay, we don't need to see that. Let's just put the robe on him now.
Okay, you can actually untie the robe to put it on him.
Yes, let's put a robe on.
Your guy is so butt.
There's Velcro too.
All right, guys, let's put on the robe on Ravishing Rick Rude. And then he can be glorious.
No.
He'll
No.
be ravishing.
Ravishing.
Let's put on his robe and tie him back up. Okay, this is what he looks like. His robe is kind of covering his face, but yeah, we can work with it.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Rick Rude. Nice to have you in Adam's family.
There
of
we go.
wrestlers.
Okay, next figure.
No.
They're holding the tag team title.
Well, yeah, this is the Hart Foundation. This is Natalia's daddy right here. And that's Natalia's uncle.
Okay, so let's open them. They both come with like
Yeah,
glasses
they're
and a
the
title.
tag team title
Yeah.
champions. From back in the day.
Let's cut through his face.
No, we don't have to.
Damn them. Okay, Adam, be careful.
All right, guys. After these two tag team champions, we'll be taking a little break, okay, for cleanup purposes.
No. Take for the number.
And then maybe we don't need to. Okay, so these are the little glasses that he comes with. They're really small. We might lose them, but at least we have 2 of them.
Oh no, you should put the glasses on so we don't lose them.
Yeah. This is the belt.
Oh, let's look at that belt. That is a nice belt. World Tag Team title.
And then this is his butt says Hitman.
That's his nickname, Bret the Hitman Hart.
I know. It's a bunch of hearts. It's very flexible. Yes. So let's put his glasses on and his title and everything.
Yeah, because he's the Hitman and he needs glasses because he looks cool. Adam, make sure you don't lose the glasses, okay? Because I think you've lost Samoa Joe's towel and Adam Rose's hat.
No.
And Samoa Joe's shirt.
No, Samoa Joe has a shirt. All right, we'll find those things. Don't worry about it.
No. Samoa Joe's in the
Okay,
boss.
his title.
Oh, nice title. And let's open his tag team
open
partner.
his tag.
Nice.
Like
Go
I just
back,
cut the
huh?
carpet.
Who is that?
His tag team partner, Jim the Anvil
Natal-
Neidhart. Natalia's daddy.
dad. handle. Same one as the other one.
Yes.
His glasses, same as the other one.
Yes.
And let's get him out.
That's right, Schwader had glasses on.
Yeah.
He does.
Yeah, the Hart Foundation were really cool, and I really enjoyed them back in the day. And you know, Bret Hart's finishing move was the
What?
sharpshooter. Sharpshooter.
Okay, this doesn't fit him.
And then what? What? His move
This
is-
doesn't fit him.
What?
He's too fat.
Raise it up a little.
What do you mean?
What?
Raising it up.
What? His move is. The moves.
I think he had the same move. Or no, his
Okay,
move was a pile driver.
There. Okay, we're almost done with the
Papa.
belt.
All right, guys, I think we have 2 tough talkers left, and then we'll be taking a little break.
Yeah, 2 tough talkers. We'll take a little break and then open the rest of them. Yeah, his belt doesn't fit. He's too fat.
All right, what are you going to do with the belt then?
Just gonna leave it in there with him. Okay, let's open the tough talkers. We'll take a little break because we have a lot of trash. We're gonna open the rest.
All right, Adam, let's see the tough talker. Oh, it's Dean Ambrose.
I feel like these are a little harder to open, but
He has 8 sounds and phrases. What does he say, Adam? Welcome to the...
Ambrose is silent.
I don't want to actually cut the figure.
You want
But
here?
it's hard not to. Okay.
He sounds like Kofi. All right, Dean. Can we hear Dean say something?
It's not fully open, but
What did he say?
I have no idea.
Your life changes? Something?
Something about changes and life changes and there. He has a nice belt and
Okay, Dean. Nice to have you as part of Adam's wacky family of wrestlers.
that went too far. Where's the other one? Now we have Xavier Woods. We do have the rest of the New Day.
Tough talkers? Yes.
Yeah.
What again? Papa, you
tough,
won again.
Just how crazy are you willing to?
Won again.
Okay.
And this one. But that one is cut that open. These take just a long time just to open them, so. I think we can keep going.
No, guys. Okay, this has been an episode of Adam Lee and Hacksaw Takers WWE figures unboxing. We'll join you later.
Goodbye.